Suzhou Vojun Environmental Protection Technology Company Limited, hereinafter referred to as Vojun, is located in Suzhou City, Jiangsu Province, is a professional production and supply of metal structured packing, gas and liquid filter, Pall ring packing, wire mesh demister, whole plate demister, baffle demister, and tower manufactures. Vojun has a professional design and research and development team. The total number of more than 100 people. The production workshop covers an area of about 10,000 square meters, a variety of production equipment, more than 300 sets, with good product quality, low price, much welcomed by domestic and foreign customers. In China, Vojun is one of the main suppliers of petrochemical industry, smelting industry, pharmaceutical industry, and environmental protection industry, and has cooperated with more than 500 customers. In recent years, Vojun's foreign trade has developed rapidly, has set up a mature foreign trade team of 20 people. The main export countries for the United States, Australia, South Korea, Germany, Italy, South Africa, and other more than 30 countries, has established long-term cooperative relations with more than 60 foreign enterprises. Every product produced by Vojun will go through strict quality testing before leaving the factory, and the company provides technical support and on-site service to solve any problems that customers may encounter after purchase. If you have related product needs, please contact us. We will use quality service and competitive products to win your trust.